Okay, today we're going to look at BJT amplifiers. Voltage amplifiers in BJTs and HBTs take three forms. The first one we're going to look at, we put our input on the base and our output on the collector. This can happen for an NPN or a PNP amplifier. And this type of amplifier is called a common emitter. Common emitter amplifiers are one of the most predominant configurations because they can provide both voltage and current gain. Typically means they have a higher power gain than other amplifier configurations as well. The next configuration that we will look at, we put our input on the emitter, take our output from the collector. This can happen for an NPN or a PNP. We call this configuration a common base. We note the common base that it can provide voltage gain. The current gain is typically near unity, a little bit less than unity. Okay, we'll now look at our last configuration. Here we're going to put our input on the base, take our output from the emitter. This can be for an NPN or for a PNP. This configuration is called the common collector. This configuration can provide current gain, but the voltage gain is less than unity. Typically, we can make it pretty close to unity, so oftentimes these are used as voltage buffers. Now, what you'll notice is when we say common base, common collector, common emitter, the common terminal is grounded. So in the common collector amplifier, the collector is grounded. It could be at a virtual ground, and the input and output are on the other two terminals. Next, we're going to look at the analysis of an amplifier, and we'll do that in our next video.